हाँ, sixth is going on. So we are having the cube. Original cube is having side x. Then increased cube is having side x plus 3. So when we increase the side by 3 centimeter, the volume is increased by this much, 2457. So original cube, volume of original cube plus this volume is volume of x plus 3 cube. So that way we have found x as 15. X is 15. So now, so my original cube x is 15. See, we are given the cube. We are given the cube with side x centimeter. When the side of the cube is increased by 3 centimeter, the volume is increased by 2457. So volume of this cube plus 2457 will be volume of the increased cube, x plus 3 cube. And on solving that, we have got x as 15. So x is 15 now. Because we have factorized, no? We have factorized 3x as 18. Find two number whose sum is 3 multiplication minus 270. So that is 18 and 15. 18 and 15. Yes. So x is now 15. My 15 centimeter, 15 centimeter, 15 centimeter. Is my original cube. So now we find volume of this original cube. Volume of original cube is, what is the formula for volume of cube? That is side cube. So 15 centimeter cube, 15 centimeter into 50, 3375. So volume of original cube is 3375 centimeter cube. We have found the volume of the original cube. Now the other part is given, that find its side. Side we have found. Now how much will its volume decrease if the length of each side of it is reduced by 20%? Again, we are having original cube. We are having original cube with side 15 centimeter. Side 15 centimeter. Wait, no. We are having the side original cube with side 15 centimeter. Now we are having a new cube. When we reduce the side by 20%. We are reducing the side of this cube by 20%. We get the new cube. So side is reduced by 15%. Side is reduced by 20%. So original side is 15 centimeter. Now we reduce the side 15 centimeter by 20% of that. We reduce the 15 centimeter by 20% of that, and that will be the side of the new cube. So first we find side of the new cube. What will be the side of the new cube? That we have to find first. Then only we can find the volume. So the new cube, the original cube having side 15 centimeter is reduced by 20%. Wait. So side of new cube is 15 centimeter minus, yes, it is 15 centimeter is reduced by 20%. So minus 20% of 15. Are you getting? So this is reduced by 20%. So by 20% means original length minus 20% of that. So that is 15 minus 20% means 20 upon 100. Of means multiplication 50. Now 15 I can take common. Then it is 1 minus. Yes. See here, we can simplify this directly. This is 15 minus 1 0 get cancelled. 1 0 get cancelled. Then yes, 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10, 5 3s are 15. So 15 minus 3. 50 minus 3, that is 12 centimeter is side of new cube. So side of new cube is 12 centimeter. Yes, side of new cube is 12 centimeter. Now we find volume of the new cube. Now we find volume of the new cube. Volume of new cube will be side cube, will be 12 centimeter cube. That will be 12 centimeter into 12 centimeter into 12 centimeter. 12 centimeter into 12. 1728 centimeter cube. This is volume of new cube. Volume of yes. Volume of new cube is 1728 centimeter cube. So now we have to find decrease in the volume. So this is my 12 centimeter cube. So now we find decrease in the volume. Decrease in the volume will be volume of original cube minus volume of new cube. Yes. Now find decrease in the volume. How 3 centimeter? We are finding volume. Not 15 minus 12. Not 15 minus. Yes. To find decrease in the volume. To find decrease in the volume, that will be volume of original cube minus volume of new cube. So now we write decrease in volume. Decrease in volume is volume of original cube. Volume of original cube minus volume of new cube. New cube means 12 centimeter. Volume of new cube. What is volume of original cube? Yes, what was volume of original cube? 3375 centimeter cube minus volume of new cube is 1728. Subtract this 15 minus 8 1647 cube. So right, decrease in volume is 1647 centimeter cube. So decrease in volume is 1647 centimeter cube. Clear? Now 9th and 10th they are omitted. 8th we will do. 7th, 9th, 10th they are omitted. Now 8th we will do. Now we will do the 8th one. 8th one you mark important because the same type of problem, similar, same type, you are going to see in the 10th standard. Same type of problem. No. 7, 9, 10 are not there. Now we will do 8th one. We will do 8th one. Now first, the dimension. No. Yes. No. 8th one, right? 8th one. A rectangular tank. Sorry. The dimension of a solid metallic cuboid. We are given the cuboid. It is melted and recasted into identical solid metal cubes. So we are given the solid metal cube. We are given the solid metal cuboid. We are given the metal cuboid. We are given the metal cuboid. Wait. No. We are given the metal cuboid. Where cube is given? We are given the cuboid. So its length is 30 centimeter. Sorry, length is 72 centimeter. Length is 72 centimeter. Breadth is breadth is 30 centimeter, and height is 75 centimeter. Now this is metallic cuboid. This is melted. Now this is a metal. This is melted. This cuboid is melted, and it is recasted into identical cubes. It is recasted into identical cube of edge 6 centimeter. So there are many cubes. No. Side is 6 centimeter. How many cubes are there? We have to find. How many such cubes are there? After melting and recasting, how many cubes are there? That we have to find. Now each side of the cube is given 6 centimeters. So your first job is to find volume of the metallic cuboid. Find volume of the metallic cuboid. Yes. Find volume of the metallic cuboid. Dimensions of cuboid are given. The dimension of cuboids are given. Wait. Dimension of the cuboids are given. Dimension of the metallic cuboid is given. So now we find volume of the solid metallic cuboid, because here after melting and recasting, the volume of this metallic cuboid will be same as the volume of all such cubes. How many cubes are there? That we have to find. So now we write volume of, it is 75. Volume of metallic cuboid, volume of metallic solid cuboid, formula is L into B into H. So that is 72 centimeter into 30 centimeter into 75 centimeter. Find out the volume, multiply. Yes, how much it is? Tell me. 00162,000 centimeter cube. Just check it. Volume of metallic solid cuboid. Volume of metallic solid cuboid is 1,62,000 centimeter cube. So we have found volume of this metallic cuboid. Now this metallic cuboid is melted and recasted into cube having each side 6 centimeter. So each cube is having side 6 centimeter. How many such cubes are there? That we have to find. So what I will do, I will find volume of one cube, then I will divide volume of cuboid by volume of one cube. I will get number of cubes. So write down volume of one cube. Volume of one cube is, formula is side cube. Now volume of each side of the cube is 6 centimeter. So that is 216 centimeter cube. So volume of one cube is, we have found, that is 216 centimeter cube. Correct? Now after melting and recasting, how many cubes we get, the total volume of those cubes will be same as the volume of metallic cuboid. So to find how many such cubes are there, I will divide that volume of metallic cuboid by volume of one cube. So write down 6 centimeter was given. So required number of cubes so found So now let us do the first one. Required number of cubes so formed. We have to find the required number of cubes. How many cubes are formed after melting and recasting? Yes, that we'll see. So number of cubes so formed, will be volume of cuboid divided by volume of one cube. Volume of one cube. Yes, volume of one cube. So volume of metallic cobalt 1,62,000 centimeter cube divided by volume of one cube 216 centimeter cube get cancelled. How much that is? 7. Yes. So 750. So write down. No, further part we have to do. Number of cubes so formed. Number of cubes so formed is 750. How many cubes are formed after melting and recasting? 750. This is first part. Now second part, it is asked. Second part. Find the cost of polishing the surface of all the cubes formed at the rate of 150 rupees per square meter. Now let us see. Let us draw the diagram. This is one cube. This is one cube. This is one cube. This is one cube. Each side is 6 centimeter. Each side is 6 centimeter. Correct? Now we want to polish the surface area. We want to polish the surface area of all such cubes. So what I will do, I will find surface area of one cube. Then what will be total surface area? How many cubes are so formed? 750 multiply by 750 by surface area of one cube. I will get total surface area of all the cubes. Then that total surface area I will multiply by cost of per meter. I will get total cost of polishing the surface. So write down. Yes. We'll see. So first you will find out surface area of one cube. First you will find out surface area of one cube. First we find out surface area of one cube. So now we write surface area, because surface area we have to polish. Surface area of one cube. Yes, what is the formula for surface area of cube? 6 into side square, no? Yes? Surface area of cube is 6 into side square. So 6 into side square, side is 6 centimeter square. So that is 6 into 36 centimeter square. That is 216 centimeter square is surface area of one cube. Surface area of one cube. Afterwards. Surface area of one cube is 216 centimeter square. Surface area of one cube is 216 centimeter square. Now how many such cubes are there? 750, no? Total there are 750 cubes. So I will find total surface area of all cubes. We find total surface. Total surface area of all cubes to be polished. Total surface area of all cubes to be polished will be, total how many cubes are there? 750 multiplied by surface area of one cube. So 1 minute. Surface area of one cube So that is 750 into surface area 1 cube 216 centimeter square. So multiply 750 into 216. Huh? How much? 1,62,000 centimeter square. Surface area, total surface area of all cubes to be polished. We'll see. We convert at the end. Right now we do not convert. So total surface area of all cubes to be polished. Total surface area of all cubes to be polished is 1,62,000 centimeter square. Total surface area of all cubes to be polished is 1,62,000 centimeter square. Now this is total surface area which is to be polished, but the rate is given. The rate of polishing the surface is rupees 150 per meter square. Per 1 minute, my dear, 1 minute. See, my dear, 1 minute. See, wait, 1 minute, 1 minute. You are not listening. Yes, wait, no, we'll see this. No, now we write total cost of polishing. Total cost of polishing the surface. Total cost of polishing the surface is 150 rupees per meter. 150 rupees per meter multiplied by total surface area 1,62,000 centimeter square. So yes, no, per meter, centimeter square. Wait, so this is rupees 150 per meter. Wait, no, wait, you are not allowing me to convert. Wait, yes, wait. See here. Now we want to convert centimeter into meter. How we convert? See, to convert meter into centimeter, we multiply by 100. Yes or no? Meter to centimeter, yes, meter to centimeter, we multiplied by 100. Now, from centimeter to meter, we divide by 100. So this is 100 into 100. Yes, because this is centimeter square. Yes, so divide by 100. This will be meter square. So now, yes, now this 0 get cancelled. 1 0 get cancelled. So 15 into 162. That is 15 into 162. 2430 is the total cost of 2430 is the total cost of polishing the surface. Is the total cost of polishing the surface. Is it clear? Yes. Now see here. 1 minute. See, let me discuss 10th one if you want. Because 10 minutes. Are my dear. Yes. चलो ठीक है. So we completed this 21C. 21C is completed. Now tomorrow onwards we'll start that distance formula. Yes, bye. Yes, have delicious food, have homemade food, don't go outside and eat. Yes, bye. Yes.